What if you have a little bit of paint on your fingers? At the end of class, you can come to the last bucket. There is soapy water, and you can just rinse off your fingers to get any of the extra paint off. So kind of go under your nails and clean off any of that extra paint. You can see that I'm just dipping my fingers, not my whole hand. And then you can grab the tissue that you still have on your table and just lightly pat and dry your fingers. If this is, or if you do not have tissues, usually I will have a bag, and the bag has some dry, clean rags, and you can kind of just dry your hands because they should be clean. You can just kind of place it back inside the bag, especially if you're just a little bit wet, okay? If it gets very wet, put it in the basket